Hello guys, if you're watching this video, I think you are probably in crypto mining or starting to learn about crypto mining. And in my video, I would like to share how can you utilize your CPU mining Monero in 2020. If you probably know, Monero is a CPU-based coin using a RandomHash algorithm that is only available for CPU. You basically could mine with GPU, but with GPU your hash rate is so low that it makes no sense to do so. With that being said, I would like to invite you to my video so that we can check everything out for ourselves.
And in today's video I will show you how can you start mining Monero with your CPU in 2020. To do so you will need a basic Intel or AMD CPU. I would advise you to use Nanopool because it's one of the easiest pools to use, or if you are a beginner I would suggest to check out my video on how to start mining with MinerGate. To start mining with more professional miner like here at Nanopool, we'll need to go to help. You will see the miners over here. We will select Nano Miner. It's a native miner for Nanopool. We'll download the miner from GitHub. The latest version is 1.9.2, and when you go to the bottom you can see this is a Linux version, this is a Windows version. We'll select Windows version. Okay, let's open it, put it on our desktop like this, close. Okay, so let's open the folder. You will see over here different config files. The easiest way to prepare your setup is to go to config XMR, edit, copy everything from here, copy, main config file, edit, paste. So we have pasted the settings we need for XMR coin. Over here you will need to post your wallet. If you don't have a wallet for XMR, I would suggest to go to KuCoin. I will be leaving a link down below for the exchange. I have prepared my wallet in advance. Copy, paste. The miner name will be test1, and we'll need to save it. Save. Okay, we can close that. Okay, let's check that our configuration is saved. Okay, our wallet XMR test, perfect. We'll need to double click on NanoMiner XS. Over here you can see the number of threads, the pools available. There's 2 pools for EU, 2 for US, 1 for Asia, this one is for Japan, and this one is for Australia. So depending on your location, the closest one will be connected to you. As you can see, our CPU is active. It's Intel Core i7 6700K with 4 GHz speed. You can see that we are mining Monero at the moment at the total speed of 1 kHz. The thing to be noted here that the CPU mining is faster for this coin than a GPU mining. This is why this is going to be mined with CPU only. Okay, since we are mining at the moment, how can we get our statistics at the pool? To do so, we'll need to copy our wallet, copy, close the program. We'll need to paste it in search bar here for Monero pool, and you are getting your result. Here is your total hash rate, your average hash rate, the balance you have at the moment, and the unconfirmed balance that you have. Here is the statistics for your mining. Here is all your workers. You can also see the payments you've been issued, the number of shares you submit per hour, and over here you get your calculator. As you can see, with few CPUs it's not much, but it's something. You should know that Monero new algorithm is mostly for CPUs. On GPU you will get barely some hash rate. For example, Here we are getting 1.6 kilohashes of mining speed. If I'll use my GPU, I will barely get 300 hashes. So that's why I prefer to mine Monero with CPU. For GPU mining, there's different coins which I will show you how to set up in my further videos. And for now, this is how you start mining Monero in 2020.
Well, I hope you saw how can you set up Monero mining in 2020. If you got any value from this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for similar content. Also, I will be leaving a link for exchange, crypto pool and miner itself so that you can start really nice and easy. With that being said, thank you for watching and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.